For creative writing, you're going to complete your check-in attendance. And today is Thursday, so you're going to complete Summit K through 12. You're going to do listening and speaking practice. Again, you're doing quiz 4 of the penguins and quiz 4 of the animals for the listening. So follow these steps. You're going to log into your My Katie Cloud. It'll look something like this. You're going to click here, type Summit, click it. You're going to go to your period. Again, period 3 for creative writing. You're going to go to period 1. You're going to click it. You're going to click on Telpass Readiness, Speaking. And again, you're doing quiz 4. Quiz 4. And for listening, you're also doing quiz 4, but it is the one with the animals. Again, quiz 4. Once you're finished, I will see whether you completed it or not. But again, here at the beginning, make sure you're clicking the correct class. Again, if you have questions, send me a message. Have a good day.